Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John. Usually what we do in this channel is looking for deals, special discount, promotional prices, all that stuff, okay? So if you're into saving, this is the channel for you. On and off I do like a tech review, open box, stuff like that, but mainly it's all about just, looking for cheap items. So in this video, we're looking at this air fryer. This one like a 12-in-1, and the price is $199. This is for black color, but if you click on the silver color, you get a 50% off. Okay, so I have a similar one like this, and I don't believe it was this brand, but I think we paid about $200 as well. And my wife, she used this thing like left and right. So if you're looking for air fryer, look at this one right here, 12-in-1 countertop convections oven, large capacity, all kind of stuff you can do with this. 50% off. Here are the dimension Wi-Fi. I guess you can control with your smartphone as well. Weighs about 20 pounds. Let's go over some of the things that you can do with this. Lot of stuff you can do with it. Okay, so I'm not gonna go over everything, but here are some of the similar items that you can see here. This tiny one's already $60, $48. Let's see. Bunch of recipes here. I guess you can connect with Alexa. It also includes 100 original recipes. Good. We're not gonna watch a video. These are some of the items that included with it. Comparable to other items as well. You can see here the review, they got what, like almost over 3,000, and it's 4.5 out of 5. Let's click on some of the reviews. See, this one, it's August 2nd 2020. Great oven, you won't be disappointed. So I've tried the Emerald Lagasse air fryer 360, which I can't knock, and Power Rocks before buying this. The Emerald one is much heavier to carry. This one feels very light in comparison, so I was skeptical of the toast functions. 2 slices of whole wheat bread set to medium toast. This oven toasted both on top perfectly. 5 stars. This is 3 stars. Not a good purchase if you know how toasters ovens should actually perform. This thing is very slow compared to other toasters ovens. You have to choose a setting, push start, then wait a few minutes to preheat before pressing the start again to cook your food. I also noticed that when it's preheated to 400, I can stick my hand in the oven comfortably, and it just feels a little hot, not nearly as hot as it should. That's the negative one. So majority of it is 5 stars. So if you were to go with the whole thing, it's 4.6 out of 5, and for this price, I think it's awesome. Okay, so 50% off, beautiful. If you're interested, I'll leave the link in the descriptions. Enjoy the savings, and if you liked the channel and liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.